Hello everyone, it's Terry, and welcome to my channel. It's TD More Than Just Orchids, and we're doing a quick unboxing from a new vendor that I just really discovered, Sasquatch Orchids from the PNW, the Pacific Northwest. And I'm going to do this real quick with one hand. Hopefully we'll be successful, but we'll see how it goes, folks. Hopefully I won't damage anything on the inside. All right, I think I might have it. Yes. So there are two orchids in here, and they are both orchids that I have had before. So they are replacements. Nice sized orchids, and they were not that expensive at all, as you will see. Nicely wrapped, not taped. So I need scissors, but you see, bam, there it is. It fell out. And it is, there's the tag, Sasquatch, and the price $29. And you see Epi Kyoguchi. Look at that. Is that a gun? Yes, he is holding a pistol, I would say. Looks like he's firing it. Anyhow, this is lots of growths. Lots of new growths, previously bloomed. I'll put a picture. If I can find one, I know I can. And this is their own clone, or their own hybrid, I believe. So, and Kyoguchi is it's an encyclical cross with, I want to say Stan Epidendrum stanfordianum, but I don't think that's correct. But let's just pull the other one out, big one as well. Easy to unwrap. Wrapped really well with just shredded paper, newspaper. And there we go. Big, tall Laturia. Let's clean it up a bit before I show you the tag. Get some of this scrap paper out without making a mess. Okay. There's the tag. And let me pull it out for you. And that is Dendrobium Joyce Kelly, which is spectabile crossed with Johnsonii. Johnsonii, my favorite. And this is a very white, alien-looking flower. So, with the same patterning, wavy, distorted flowers. Nice sized canes, two new growths that are really big and that are still growing. And it's in a small pot, as all Laturia like. Phalaenopsis as well, Phalaenopsis. But that is the haul, and thanks for watching. And enjoy your orchids and check out Sasquatch. Bye.